Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get Robux with Sweatcoin. Are you looking for a quick guide how to get Robux using Sweatcoin? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so to do this, first open your Sweatcoin app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. And make sure, of course, you need to install it on your device. After that, on the Sweatcoin dashboard, tap on your balance that's located on the top right corner of your screen. Right? Or you can just tap on the wallet icon on the bottom. So after that, in your balance screen, you'll see that there is no way to get Robux for free, but you'll need to use Sweatcoin to buy it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.